Hello and welcome to this video. I got a lot of people asking me the question, how can I trade the 1 minute? Which I don't recommend to do if you have no experience at all. Even for experienced trader, it's not that easy to trade that. But I will share today, this will be a quick video, how I see the 1 minute, uh, how I trade it, what I see when I watch the 1 minute chart, and of course I have here in the middle 5 minute and on the right side the 15-minute candle chart. Let me now go to the 1 minute and explain to you, or not explain to you, to show you what I see if I would trade and when I trade the 1 minute. And I do trade the 1 minute with my prop firm accounts. With my private capital, I trade completely different setup. But for the 1 minute, you can see this is the NASDAQ. I'm going to show you now how I do it. First, you can see that I'm in Europe right now traveling, so my time it's 3:30 p.m. Paris time, which is 9:30 New York. But don't be confused by that. It's important that you understand what I will show you. First, I mark the candle 29. So this is this candle 29 just before the market open. And I believe this is a fair price candle. And I mark it. This is very important for me. So the first candle you can see here, it's a red candle. So this is not giving me no specifics, no news, nothing. Because you can see we have a big wick on the top and big wick on the bottom. Let me just move it here. And then the second candle, it's opening, you can see here, going down and then pushing straight up. So how I enter the trade, for example here, it's very important. What I don't like to see is a very big wick on the top, which we got here. It's not that bad, but it's a wick, which I don't like too much. But what I like really here is that we closed above the previous 29 candle and the 30 candle. This is what I like. I wanted to take this trade, but I was too slow because the market is moving fast. You can see this candle give us a little wick on the bottom, and that's important. And I want to show you now what I'm looking for when I trade this. So this, for me, it's a long entry. And my stop loss is just going below the wick. But this, I couldn't get it because I was too slow. It's just moving too fast. But let me just show you another example. What is my criteria to entering the trade? So this, I will not enter because it's too risky. You can see here, we have here a high from the previous move, swing move down. But considering my entry on the 1 minute, we do got the 1 minute going first down a wick and then up. So this is the entry for me, exactly here, and I would be right. Let's go a little bit further. This candle, okay, it's a top, and then we got a bearish candle. And why I will not take this continuation candle is very easy. Because the candle opened on the top, it went up, and this is a criteria that I have. I don't take this trade long. If this candle is opening here, going straight down, then I consider this as a long entry. The same happened here and here. This opened on the top, which means to me, wait, look what happens. Maybe we have a pullback. And you can see the candle open on the top and closed here. So now what do we have? If this candle, this one, you can see the second red candle, if this one is opening like it did here, went up For me, this is a short, and I position a sell stop just like that here, and I'm just waiting to see where is the top of the wick. It's here, and that's a 8-point stop loss. If it's stopped me out after, I don't care, but this is a entry criteria for me. And then you just target the fair value, which is here, this box, and it hit us. Again, I want to show you again so you understand what is my criteria for entry. You can see here better. If, okay, here, that's perfect. If we have a wick, so this is a bullish engulfing candle, it's a flip from the previous move, it's a nice pullback, bullish, a little wick, exactly what you want to see. It opened here, it didn't go up. If it's going up, I don't take the long here, no way, but it went straight down, which I want to see if I'm longing. And then I put in my buy stop order. I'm watching where is my stop loss. My stop loss is below the wick, so this is here 32 points. NASDAQ I'm talking here. One contract. This is 640 risk. 640. Went up straight and give us easy almost 1-to-1. Already in 1 minute because of our entry criteria. Then what you do? I personally, after the first candle, I've moved my stop loss to break even. Because I'm trading, for example, a 50,000 prop firm account, which is 2,000 stop loss. In reality, that's $2,000. I move my stop loss to break even after the first candle close because I want to have the continuation. If I'm not in the continuation move, then stop me out, I'm fine with that. That's why I have a lot of stop out or break even trades because of this criteria. Again, here we don't do nothing because this candle didn't go down and then up. No, it went up first for the picking up the liquidity and then down, and it closed down. Now, what do we do in this candle? Well, we watch, because if we have a pullback like here opening and then breaking the opening, then this is a short. But in our case, it opened here and it went straight up. Okay, the buyers are still in control. And at this point, you do nothing. We are still in this trade, you hold it. You can target a high here, but then this candle happens. This is the candle 43. What do? Nothing. We wait because the candle opened here. So that's not a criteria for me to go long again. No, it's not an entry. Went down. Okay. So basically we just observe and watch another candle. And now what happened again? It's very easy. This candle open, went down. So this is telling me, okay, if it's coming back over the opening, I want to be in the trade in the long. And you can do that. This is the criteria that I have. Stop loss is just 13 points. And you just can target the close of the candle, giving you 36 points. Or you wait for the next candle, which is giving you 70 points. And this is how I trade the 1 minute if I do, right? And in this case, it's such a beautiful trade here. Look, we broke over the previous high, candle close, amazing. And then look at our entry. It went down. This is what you want to see, but you have to be fast. And then up. So when the candle, this one, is going down, you put your order here, a buy stop. You just look, what is my stop loss? It's 12 points. When you hit you're in the trade, then you put your stop loss in, you know it's 12 points, which is one contract, it's $250, and you just can go for 1 to 2, whatever is your style. But I'm just trying to explain to you how I would read the candle. For example, this candle, here nothing happens, nothing. And why I will not short this candle, you ask yourself the red, right? Why don't short here? Because it's not it's not my criteria hitting. Look at that. The green candle that you can see here, it went straight down. I don't touch it. I only go in the trade if I have a little pullback, like what is the here? It's 509. We go a little bit back, 10, 20 points. This is my signal to go short. I put my sell stop entry. I'm watching what is my stop loss. Okay, 20 points. When it's going back down, I'm in the sell, and then I put my stop loss here. But in this case, nothing happened. This is actually a beautiful long entry again, because you can see here the wick, the previous wick. It's turning into a bullish fair value gap. It's a fair value gap anyways here, but I'm always watching the wicks. So you could actually enter here long, but doesn't really matter. I will not show you this. It's complicating. I want to just to show you very easy trades. So let's see. You have here wicks. You see that? This is a range. Okay? And I want to see a candle close below this zone or above this here. I want to see a close in the VIX. Didn't happen here. Where is the first candle that we see the kind of the change of character or the candle close? It's this one. So if you didn't do nothing, you're just waiting for the first 20 minutes, 22 minutes to really find the perfect entry, a safe entry. This one is it. This is the candle that you can make all the money that you need per day. Again, bearish candle, small wicks, you want to see that. And we have a close below the bodies from this kind of a range. And then you watch the next candle. If this candle is going straight down, you're done doing nothing, because it's just the seller is too strong, or it's not our entry criteria. But this candle opened bullish, which is for me a setup for short. I position my entry here as a sell stop, and then I'm just watching how far my stop loss will be. If the candle is going here up 33 points, I'm canceling the order, because it's just too much. But if I have a nice 10 to 20 stop loss, maximum 25, I still go, because this is for one contract on NQ, on NASDAQ, it's $500. This is correct. But in this case, our stop loss, 13 points. This is $260. You enter, and you can target the low from here, or just the low from the opening, or you just wait to see the first candle and you can close it. So 87 points, risk to reward ratio is 6.6. Again, I want to show you the criteria. If this candle, I'm talking about this red candle, that's the candle 1555, it's going down, you don't do nothing. No, nothing. But it went back to take the liquidity. You position, what is going on? All right, it went back, you can see up, it was green. You put an order for a sell stop in, so when it's coming back, you automatically end the trade. All right, and the same happened here on this candle. Look at this strong move of this candle. Look at this candle. How strong is the seller? And then what do we get? We get another entry opportunity here. Look at that. It's going straight up. So that's a green candle. What is the stop loss here? You put your sell stop in. I'm watching how far it's going. It's 20 points. This is my criteria. That's 400 risk. One contract NQ. And you just target 1 to 1, 1 to 2, whatever is your target or your style. But I'm just going to show you the entry points here. Again, what happened on the next candle? This candle, the same example. It went up, but on this, I guess we will be too slow because it's just going fast. And then we can see here is a low, but we have a close of a big candle below the opening. Interesting, right? Then we can see we create here a little range, inverted fair value gap. So you could enter again here, stop loss here, but I'll just show you like clean setups right now here. We don't see here nothing clean. This beautiful candle, this candle just moved without us. This one, you see that? When this happens, it's just going straight down. You do nothing because it's too fast, right? And then this candle, for example, it's a beautiful candle, but what is not for my criteria, it's too high. It's already going over the previous candle, so I will not do nothing here. But I would enter on this candle. I know people will still think I'm crazy to go in. No, it went up. Okay, I put my order here, my sell stop, and then I cancel my sell stop if it's going again high. But then I can see that's kind of the move, 27 points, 28. All right, I will risk one contract. Let's see if I can get 1-to-1. And I do. Poof, straight down. Very easy. This candle, this green candle, you do nothing. Why? Because it went first down. We are just looking when we're shorting, first pull back and then down. This, it went straight down like this one. You do nothing. Zero, nothing. And of course, you will say now, okay, but this candle opened like that and it went up. Yes, you could take it. But now you need to watch and see, do we really have a big change of character or break of structure candle? No, we don't have it. And we have it here. This is the candle that is kind of giving me, this is a change of character because we're really close above this red candle. This is not, no, this one is it. And this one. That's, these two candles are the most strong candle for a change of character or a break of structure to start looking for longs. All right? I don't know how long is the video. I hope you understand the video. For example, here again, you do nothing here, right? You missed the trade because if this red candle here went down, then this would be an entry. And then the first entry, what you could do, it's this one. Nice flip candle, bullish engulfing. You enter here your buy stop. You just watch how far is it going down. All right, that's my stop loss, 25 points. Correct, this is what I trade. And then you can target 1-to-1, 1-to-2, whatever is your, style. And it's a profit. Then you do nothing, and then we have again a brilliant candle. This one, it's actually this one you can already take, but I guess you would be too slow because it was really fast here, right? But that's the candle. Down, you take it. Down, you take it. Down, you take it. You missed the trade again? Okay, another opportunity here. Down, you take it. I hope you understand what I'm looking for. I will do more videos to show you what I trade, but this is it. If you just wait for the right setup, which we got, where is here? That's 5 p.m. or 11 a.m. New York. You should be finished. Trading, you need 1 or 2 good setups, opportunities to make a living. And we got plenty, all right? I hope this helps. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will try to answer all the questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.